What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, Budget Auto Reviews. You all know it's David right here once again. So I'm gonna be probably diving into the Cadillac today. So I'm gonna be taking some stuff off. So bumper has to go off, the air intake has to go off. So I'm gonna be taking it apart myself, so I have a list and things of what I'm gonna be doing later on. So without further ado, let's get into it. All right, guys, this is what I got going on. So I took the top of the air intake with the sensor off, keeping this one is still useful. So can see the connector right here. This one is not broken, it's the bottom one that is broken, the bottom one that goes in here and it's connected to the headlight on the passenger. Oh man, that almost cut my finger. Yeah, I gotta take this fender off too. So, and I also need to get a new air intake filter. I don't know, what do you guys think? Should I go with an aftermarket air intake, or I should just do the regular air intake? Because if I go with an aftermarket, I'm gonna have to do the programming or clear the code in there somehow. So that is off. I need to get this piece right here and take this one off. Get that piece. I think I need to cover this. I need to cover this from letting dirt go in there. This one has to come off. To get that off somehow. Yeah, it's locked in there. Okay, I got it. So this is broken. All this piece, I need to get a box to put all this broken piece in so I can throw them out in the dumpster. I need to unplug this wire harness for the headlights and take this bumper off and the grill, everything. And I need to save all the bolts and screws and everything so I can use them again. This one has to go off, so I'm gonna take all of this off by myself and take the radiator off, because that core is bad. It's leaking antifreeze or coolant or antifreeze all over the floor. And let me see, what else do I need to do? That's pretty much it. I'm gonna try to take this fender off as well, but as soon as I'm done, I would love to do a time lapse, but it's cold out here and my GoPro is not gonna last that long for me to be videoing myself taking all of this out. I'm gonna go with a black merch on this grill. This is too much silver for me. I need it blacked out because the emblem I'm gonna be putting here is gonna be a white light up emblem. I'm gonna do some personal aftermarket design like I did on my wife's car. I have a LED light strip going across the hood here. It's a daytime running light and a turn signal as well. So I'm gonna do something like that on this. I don't know if I want to do it across or I want to go whichever way comes in mind. I'll go with it. And I would love to take this hood off with everything, but no, I don't want to leave my car naked or open to people, and some people will probably come in here and start stealing stuff from the car. So I'm gonna take all of this off, find a plastic bag to cover it when I'm done. I think I'm gonna leave this headlight on, but I'm gonna take this bumper off. We'll see. As soon as the little progress I make, I'll be coming back to make a video for you guys and show you where I've gotten to. All right, let me dive into this real quick. Okay. All right, y'all. A little progress here. I was able to take some broken components out, and man, my fingers are numb. GoPro died because it's cold. I've not been using it. All right, guys. It was so cold, my GoPro had to die on me. My finger was numb, so I had to go warm up in the house. So this is where I'm gonna stop for now. I came up with an idea of putting a chain around this and pulling it forward with another vehicle, probably the Explorer. It's pretty much heavier than the Lexus, so I have a tow hitch. I'll tie a chain up with this and pull it forward. At least that will save me time and stress from trying to unbolt this and separate this, and it's also welded back there, I think. I unbolted this from that. It's kind of locked up behind there because this is bent backwards. I've unbolted the other end too and detached some wire harness. This one, it goes to the second horn, which is right in here. I unclipped the harness in the bumper as well. I was able to detach the broken headlight from the harness too, and the air intake sensor, then the engine cover, then also the hood latch. I was able to take it out of this. As you can see, I unbolted that and take it out. So I'm setting everything up there. So I'm not able to get the rest of this bumper out like I said I was going to. I need more time because I'm working with the weather. It's so cold out here. I can't even do anything for 1 hour straight because it's so damn cold. So with all that being said, I forgot to tell you guys that I got an email from the body shop, Lakeview Body Shop, and the estimate that was given to me was was $14,000 plus change. Yeah, $14,000 to get this back to OEM spec and fully functioning with the frame, the structure damage, the radiator damage. I also noticed that the shroud, the fan and the shroud behind the radiator is busted. This is the fan right here. You see the fan? It's rubbing on the radiator right here. So I'm gonna need a whole set from the junkyard if I find one. I also found some vehicle at the junkyard on their website with a complete bumper and grille, and I found one with a black mesh grille instead of the OEM silver chrome grille. I think I would go with a full black because I'm thinking of putting a custom emblem on here that lights up when you start the car up. So with all that being said, I really appreciate it if you guys have any idea for me, to drop your ideas in the comment section. I really need advice from you guys, what step I should take, what I should do, what I should not do. I really appreciate it. And if you're not subscribed to the channel and you're new to this channel, please go ahead and subscribe. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up and like this video. Share with your friend as well, let them watch. And like I said, if you guys have any idea, please drop your ideas in the comment section. I'll be very, very glad to use them. I have to go now because I have to go buy some tools that I'm gonna be using to get this going, because I'm still gonna plan on taking 2 days off work to go to the junkyard and get me parts, because the junkyard I'm gonna go to, they have at least 24 different types of XTX from 2013 to 2019. So I just need 2013 to 2017, that's all, because they all look the same. The 2017 18 19 has a whole different platform, different headlight, different bumper design and hood. So please support your boy by subscribing and hitting the like button. Also share the video and drop your comments in the comment section. And with all that being said, I'm gonna get out of here. Peace out, y'all.